Yo, what's good, everybody? It's Vic here. Today is Tuesday, March 3rd, and we'll go over this recap. Unfortunately, I have bad news. We blew our accounts, man. We blew our accounts. Let me show y'all P&L. Um, yeah, this the P&L for the day. Where is it at? This the bro. This the P&L for the day, $3,686, down 542 in the live account, down 3,143 on the alpha accounts, and we have officially blown the alpha accounts. That's so unfortunate, and it hurts my heart, but it is what it is. I really thought it's tough because like last week I could have secured a $6,000 payout, but I wanted the max 9K. Very tough. Very tough because I didn't need the money, but it is what it is. We gonna bounce back. Next time around, I think I will take the $6,000 payout. So when I get to like around a 4K balance, I think I will take it out. At least the first go around, put some money back in my pockets at least. Then work from there. So, what was I gonna say? So yeah, I want this to be a quick video. I really don't even feel like recording it, but I will still do my due diligence because every trade I will take this year, I will be doing a recap over. So wins, loss, whatever is part of the game. But coming into market open, start noon. Coming into market open, 8:30. Coming into market open, I mean, again, or at least today, I felt like we were super bearish. Just because of how pre-market where it was looking, we had dumped a decent amount of points to the downside. But on the higher time frame, yeah, on the higher time frame coming into market open, I did see we have these hourly highs. We were significantly bearish like since yesterday PM session. We've just been dumping. We have some unfilled 1 hour gaps ahead, and we had a unfilled 4 hour gap up here. So coming into open, I wanted to see market manipulate higher and tap into those unfilled gaps, so then we could continue lower. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. And initially, we came and swept these hourly highs, but we had another hourly high above us. So part of me, like initially I wanted to take this short, or like I would have been cool taking these shorts. Or no, that's the reason I was gonna fade it. If wait, did it end up? I think it ends up inversing. Yeah, that's the reason I didn't take it. Though there was a SMT, and though there was a like this really does look good, but because we do have an hourly high above us, like I wasn't really a fan of that. Like I wanted to see market manipulate higher and take those out, right? So as you can see here, this trade would have been an absolute bust, right? Boom, instant reversal. I'm glad we didn't take that one. Patty took this one, but I didn't like this either. Like you're taking a 1 minute IFEG into another 1 minute IFEG, and we have a 1 hour gap above us. I no bueno. Like this is not something I would take. If anything, I would take this off the. Hold up, was there another inverse? No, it was the 1 minute only. Stops above here. Could this have played out? I'm not sure. TP at these lows. Would this have played? That's so nasty. That would have been a breaky. Pardon me, y'all. This is super nasty. It would have been a break-even trade. But anyways, there was another opportunity. I think it was a 3 minute. Or was it after the resweep? But yeah, market just starts chopping for a while, right? We just start chopping. Was it the 2 minute? Oh yeah, it was the 2 minute. There was a 2 minute chance for us to get in, but again, like, because we had a unfilled 1 hour, and in a little bit we had a 4 hour gap opening up at this point. I mean, it already shows the candle close, but at that point in time, the 4 hour candle had not yet opened up, and it was opening up in a little bit. So I didn't want to take a trade like that. So I even hopped back in bed after I seen all this chop. I told myself I did not. There's no way I'm taking longs because there's no higher time frame gap to bounce off of, and we were just bearish. So I just hopped in bed and just waited. I just hopped in bed, and after a while, like, I even set an alarm when I woke up, I started to see this, right? We left Asia low, we retraced back into a 5 minute gap. And as you know, the standard play that I always take. Again, I'm not too upset because at the end of the day, I follow my rules. This wasn't as like the cleanest trade in terms of formation. Like, it wasn't the cleanest, but again, like, everything I still met my requirements. I usually like when trades show me these wicks because it's showing me it's reject, like, it doesn't want to continue higher, right? So these are what these wicks are showing me. Like, I feel like I've taken trades like these time after time again, and after this reaction, bearish reaction, break even at this internal low, like, I would think I would be I would be at least able to get this break even off. And like, just like, other than my own mistakes I've been making, like I made the last couple weeks, or the last week, I made 2 personal mistakes, which ended up ultimately costing me my account. If I look at it like that, because if I didn't make those mental mistakes, I'd still be down and drawdown, but I would still have my accounts. But anyways, after seeing this reaction, I would think we would want to at least continue flushing to Asia low, because it's like, if we didn't then go and tap that 1 hour gap, in my head it's like, it's okay. It's like, I'm now not thinking about that anymore, because market is showing, because we created a lower low, like, right, we broke structure back to the downside again, we left Asia low. This is textbook. But again, we get stopped out right there, runs to our tapped our break even. Essentially, it would have been a break even trade anyways if we didn't get wicked out. But yeah, super unfortunate, man. Like, I don't know what to say. I will be back. Yeah, then we eventually go to tap this gap, I believe. But yeah, those accounts are blown. Let me show y'all them. Let me show y'all hold on, let me make sure there's no sensitive information on this page. Yeah, so yeah, the alpha accounts are now officially inactive. Like, it sucks, but it is what it is. I will be back. Also, the live account, like, down 1K on the week. Super tough. Also, PSA, I'm no longer trading my live account. I would, because thank God I'm still up on the accounts. So after today's loss, I was still up like $1,300 on the account. So I withdrew the $1,300 today. And I'm gonna use that $1,300 to then fund my, cause I'm spinning alpha. So I'm gonna buy 3 more alpha accounts. We gonna get it out, man. We gonna do it, bro. So yeah, I will be starting trading those tomorrow. So I'm gonna use the profits. So thank God we still had a good month last month, able to use these profits to now fund my new purchases. So at least it's not like I have to, like, it's paid for essentially. So that's why I'm not too mad. Thank God we went on a little run. Wish we'd have closed out the month stronger, but because we are able to get more accounts. Yeah, so I will no longer be trading this account, at least for now. I won't be trading this account until I get a payout from alpha. I'm not gonna lie, because it just doesn't make sense to me to put on double risk at all. It doesn't make sense to me at all to put on double risk when there's simply no need. Because this is like, I can't play around with this money if I'm being completely honest. Yeah, so tomorrow we start the alpha accounts. No longer using trade copy either because there's no need since I'm not trading my live account. Yeah, so we're gonna run the alpha. We're gonna re-up on 3 alpha accounts. Oh well, they already took my accounts off of here, right? So we're gonna run up the 3 alpha accounts. Run up the 3 alpha accounts. I'm gonna this time around. I think I will take the 6K payout after the 90% profit split. A 6K payout is around. Let me do the math real quick. But I don't know how I want to do the journey to 10K payout because after profit split, that's like 5.4K, which is still decent. Like I just want to build a foundation, right? So this is what it is. I'm gonna still keep it going. Eventually, I want to see how many episodes it takes. I think this episode would be episode 33. Absolutely ridiculous. Again, like I know I'm a profitable trader. There's no doubt about that. Like I know I'm a profitable trader. Just can I put together the means to, like, can I string enough wins together to get a payout, to get multiple payouts, to be consistent, right? That's all the goal. At the end of the day, like, if I'm, like, looking at the bigger picture, I only started trading props last year, April 9th. So this is the 11th month. Next month will make it a year. So, yeah, that's really all it is. It is what it is. We will be back. We will be better. Again, I will, every time I say I'm not one to blame price action, but I'm lying. I will blame price action each and every single time. Price action has been abysmal. It's been unacceptable, and it's been extremely poor. I don't care what nobody says. Suck dick, nigga. The price action's been terrible. Pardon my language. I'm just a little bit upset if I'm being honest. But price action has been terrible. Like we're just not respecting anything. Like even look later in the session there comes, where was it? We get a 5. Where was it? Oh yeah, it was here. Oh no, I think that one played out. Anyways, yeah, bro. We will be back. I don't know if I want to. The goal is to pass the alpha accounts by this week. To pass the alpha accounts by the end of this week. That's what I'm hoping for. We'll see though. Hopefully we can catch some bangers. Hopefully market provides opportunity for us to get involved. 0-2 on the week, but I'm 2-2 on following my process. Like yesterday's trade, I take again. Today's trade, I take again. It's just unfortunate, bro. Like that shit it's a drag, but can't be too mad. Like market just has not been going my way. But and on the other half of the coin, glass half full. The thought is the same way I can lose this many in a row is the same way I know I can win double the amount. Right? I know I can hit at a 70% win rate. A 70% clip, bro. I really know that. I believe that wholeheartedly. It's just a matter of time. Like, just. Ooh. Sorry. My mic bugging. Yeah, it's just a matter of time. What else do I have to say? We will be back, bro. Down but not out. You feel me? It is what it is, man. I will be back. It just sucks that I wasted like a month and a half trying to grind these. Like got them out of drawdown initially. I was in drawdown, got them out of drawdown, got them up to 4K. Lost it all. Could have taken a 6K payout, wanted the 9K payout. Again, it is what it is. We'll be back. We'll be better. Yeah, y'all have a blessed day, man. Vic out. We finna be rich though, like no doubt. We finna be rich as shit. We finna get a lot of money. We finna be a millionaire, like no doubt, bro. Y'all have a blessed day. Y'all be good. Vic out, man. Why not y'all? Why not us?